Hey guys, what's up? Minecraft the Crafters here. My name is Reese and I'm here with another CraftChat episode. So today I'm going to be talking about how to download the new CraftaPack, the Return mod pack. It's another custom mod pack we'll be using for our new viewer server. But basically the video is going to be broken up into three different parts. The first part will be explaining how you can download the mod pack using the Technic launcher. The second part will be explaining how you can download the pack with the Minecraft launcher and Forge. And the third part will be explaining a little bit more information about the server itself. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and open up Technic launcher. So the Technic launcher is a free launcher you can download off the internet. I'll flash a download link over the screen right now. But it's pretty easy to download. Just go ahead and open it up. You'll get this little icon. It should do most of the stuff for you. But basically, it'll open this little thing, this launcher right here. So when you download the when you download the Technic launcher, you'll get a bunch of these normal packs. Now I have already added the last two series, CraftPack and CraftPack 2.0. That is not what we're covering on this video. So we're actually be covering a new pack. Like I said, CraftPack the Return. Now you do it the same kind of way we've done it before. I'm just going to put up this video, just get it on the top of your guys' feeds and stuff. And I'm giving you a little more information than normal. But anyways, as always, you're going to click this Add New Pack button. And I will add, before we get started, that you do need a premium Minecraft account for this. So you're going to have to log in here with all your information and stuff. You can see my fantastic Steve face, even though it's not really Steve. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and add new pack. And when you do that, it's going to come up with this thing. It's going to ask for a platform URL. Now, this is what you guys have been asking a lot about, especially during our streams. So I'm going to go ahead and open up our actual Twitch page. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure to go check out our Twitch link stuff, Minecraft the Crafters on Twitch. And I would like to say I've actually now posted a video since we hit 4,000 follows, so thank you guys so much for the 4,000 follows on Twitch. That is absolutely insane. But anyways, what you're going to want to do is, this works when we're offline or online. It doesn't really matter. It should be up all the time. We're going to type an exclamation mark mod pack in the chat. When you do that, Crafter's bot is going to return this little thing right here. It explains a little bit, and it says here's the Technic API link. So what you're going to do is you want to copy that link, make sure you don't get any spaces or anything, just get it exactly how it is. You're going to copy it right there, and we don't need this anymore, and we're going to put it right here on the platform URL. So when you paste it, it's going to say it's fetching the mod pack info. It'll take a few seconds, so we'll just wait for that. But anyways, it is now loaded. You can see it says mod pack CraftPack return. That's how you know you have the right mod pack. Now, there was actually an update to Technic since the last time I uploaded a video. So now you can actually save mod packs in the .technic folder. So you can usually use the default file location as your folder, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and add mod pack. And now you can see on the side there's a new thing. It has the same logo as the last mod pack. However, you want to make sure you get the new one, the return, with this background. It says it's all that right there, It's the same text and everything, but it has the return. Ooh, fancy. Anyways, you're gonna go ahead and hit play, and that should start downloading the pack. It'll take a few minutes. One of the biggest things that I will tell people is it does take a few extra minutes on the initializing screen once it opens. So don't freak out and think your pack is completely crashed. But there's one more thing I'd like to show you on the Technic launcher before we finish. Just so you guys know, once the pack downloads, it does automatically open. And you can just run it from here every time you open the Technic launcher. You only have to do that once. But the other thing is how to add extra RAM. So what you're going to do is hit this little gear button at the top, and it'll open the launcher options. So one of the biggest problems with people in the pack is usually the Technic launcher defaults to 2 GB of memory. With this pack, you're going to want between 2 and 4. 2 is a little low. You can run it, but I'd probably turn all animations off using Optifine. But I run it on 4. This is where you change all that kind of stuff, which a lot of people are very confused about. I have 8 gigabytes of RAM. It does update this automatically. You can choose any amount you want. I'm going to stick with 4 because that seems like a good number for me. But again, that's just the gear button right there. So that's how you do that. You can see, actually, just in the time I was talking, it looks like the mod pack's about done. Alright, now to move on to the second way of downloading it. So I will go ahead and say the second way of downloading it is a lot harder than the first, but if you can't use Technic or you're having a lot of problems with it, this is another way to do it. So basically, there's actually 2 things you're going to need to do. You can find both of these links in the description. I will also add them both to the exclamation mark mod pack command you saw in the last part on our Twitch channel. But you're going to want to take this Dropbox link, I have it right here, and you're just going to want to put it in your URL link, hit enter, and it's going to go ahead and ask you to download this. So this is the actual mod pack itself. Go ahead and save the file. I'll get that going. And then you're also going to want to download Forge. So you can just search Forge. It's my files.minecraftforge.net. Again, I'll put this link in the description. So you're going to want to scroll down on the website. Scroll down until you see 1.7.10 latest. That's the one we're doing now. That's what this pack is on, so you're going to want to hit installer Windows. You can also do it for the other types as well, but here's my Windows installer, so I'll take that, download that, bring it to add file. So we have that finished. We have a few downloads here. Alrighty, it looks like both of my downloads have finished. So what you're going to do is, first of all, take your modpack.zip file and your Forge file and put them on your desktop or somewhere you can access them pretty easily. And then what you do from here on is pretty simple. You're going to go ahead and want to open %appdata%. If you've ever done that, it's just on your Windows search bar. I can't show you that because I have dual monitors. But once you type in %appdata%, it'll give you this. Click on your .minecraft folder, and this is where all your Minecraft information is. Now, I would recommend backing up on your .minecraft before putting in the mod pack, just in case. It doesn't cause problems all the time, but sometimes it can. So I'm going to type back up. And I'm going to go ahead and take everything here and drop it in there. So now it's empty. I didn't actually want it to be empty. I'm not going to copy it, but so we'll copy it again. There we go. Put all that back in. Alright, that took long enough. Anyways, it's done now. So what you're going to want to do is actually go and open up your Minecraft launcher. Once you do this, stuff that no one understands. And maybe like 3 people understand. Okay. Alright, cool. So, apparently, I'm already logged in, so I'm going to play. I don't know why I did that. Oh, let's still put everything in. Alrighty then. Well, I'm going to quickly put in my information. Alright, put it all in. Anyways, what you're going to do is create a new profile. So right now I have my Optifine profile set up. What we're going to want to do is make a profile name. You can name it CraftPack or whatever you really want to. So I'm going to name it CraftaPack The Return. There's the mod pack name. So you're going to want to use a certain version of Forge. Now, right now, if you scroll down, you'll see I have the 2 versions of Optifine, but we need Forge in here because that's what the mod pack comes off. So what we're going to do is we're going to save the profile. We can come back to edit it in a second. I will go ahead and say go ahead and click the game directory just to make things easier. So hit save profile, minimize this, and open the Forge file you downloaded earlier. So once you do that, it'll pop up like this. Pretty easy. You're going to want to install the client into the .minecraft, so that's exactly what I want to happen. Just hit OK. It should do everything for you. As you can see, it's downloading stuff at the moment. Alright, once that's done, this should pop up. It'll say it successfully installed it, and you should be good to go. So next what you're going to do is go back to your .minecraft folder, which is right here. Sometimes this comes up, it says it may not have installed correctly. It did, so just say this program installed correctly, and you should be on your way. But everything has finished now, so we can go ahead and get back to what we need to do. So when you open the mod pack folder that you downloaded from Dropbox, you'll see you got these 3 things, or not. There you go. You got those 3 things. Now what you're going to do is copy all 3 of them. You're going to want to delete the bin. You're just want to make things easier. we're actually just going to delete the bin, config, and mods folder. So once you get rid of those, we're going to put the new ones in there. This has all the mods and stuff like that, and it should finish like that. So the mod pack should be completely done now. You don't have to worry about it. We're going to minimize that for now and go back to our Minecraft launcher. And we're going to go back to the profile, so CraftPack The Return, then edit profile. Go down here, find the use version, scroll down, and you should see Forge. Alright guys, we're back. I did figure out what happened there. Once you download Forge, all you need to do is just close the launcher and reopen it. Then it'll show up right here. See, it says release 1.7.10 Forge. Make sure it says 1.7.10. If it says anything else, it's not going to work. So once you do that, you go ahead and hit save profile and then play, and it should, start downloading stuff. It should be running from the .minecraft. and it should load up in just a second. We'll see if it works. Hopefully it does. Now, I did realize I forgot to say one thing. You're going to need to put more RAM on the pack. I think it automatically defaults to 1. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're actually going to take this code that I'm going to put in the description of the video, and make sure you copy it exactly how it is, and go to here and put JVM arguments. Take whatever's here and replace it with what I gave you in the description. Then go ahead and hit save profile, and when you run it, it should run a lot smoother and a lot faster, and the pack should actually run. So now we'll go ahead and let that load up and make sure everything's working properly, but that should be it. Alright, so it looks like the mod pack is loaded up, and it looks like it's running completely fine. You can see 99 mods are loaded, Optifine is loading, and Forge is running correctly. You will notice when you go to your multiplayer tab, any servers that you had already are still there. I actually don't have our server on there, which is kind of ironic. But you'll see that some of them you can still join, even though they say V. V means it's a vanilla server, so even though it has Forge and all the mods, you can join it on your side and be able to play it fine. But any servers with this red X mean you've done it wrong. Now, if you go to our server and you get a red X, then that means that you downloaded the pack incorrectly, and I would either come back and try it again, make sure you get all the files done correctly, or ask help during a stream or anything like that, or look up some other videos on YouTube. Again, I'm not a complete expert at this stuff, I'm just going off some other stuff I've seen, but this should work for you guys. One of these two ways should help you download the pack, and that's kind of that. But anyways, before I end off the video here, I want to talk a little bit about the server. So viewer servers is something we do a lot on our Twitch channel. How our server is going to work this time is every month there will be a specific pass you need to buy. Now, pass is 250 crafter coins each. You get coins just by hanging out in the Twitch channel. You get 5 of them every 10 minutes for streaming. And we also give them out at random points as well. But you'll need to buy a pass. This month's pass will last actually until January 31st. Then you'll have to buy a new one February 1st. So basically, that just keeps the server active, keeps the whitelist not from getting too full. You can also transfer crafter coins as currency. So on the server, the currency is crafter coins. You get 1 crafter coin in-game for 1 in the game. If you want to transfer crafter coins over, all you have to do is, while we're not streaming, let me know on Twitter, PM me, let me know in the Twitch chat, let me know in the game chat. Just let me know how many coins you want me to take out of your Twitch account, and I will get that taken care of for you. You can use the coins in the game to get different crafter coin ranks, as well as items in the game and other fun stuff like that. That should be all the information about the server. Again, I really hope you guys enjoy the pack, have a lot of fun. If you do have any questions, definitely let me know at MCTC Reese, that is my channel Twitter, or at the main channel at MCTC Social. But that is all I have for you guys. Make sure to like the video, all that kind of stuff. Leave any comments down below with any suggestions, whether they're about the pack, about the videos, about YouTube, Twitch, anything. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everything goes well for you, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for watching.